Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Mizrahi eyeglasses, model IM30047 in color clear. The color of the frame is clear. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are also a round shape. Its temples have a polka dot pattern and the Mizrahi logo engraved. This is the inside of the frame, and both temples are the same. The Mizrahi logo is also engraved on its bottom left lens. On its inner right temple is the Mizrahi New York logo and the dimensions of its temple, which is 145. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, which is clear, and dimensions of the frame. 54 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with the Mizrahi pink case. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.